Hello friends, our today's activity is paper cube. You will need a tinted paper, scale or a ruler, pencil, sketch pens and scissors. So let's start. You will need a long 12 inches scale. Draw a line which is 12 inches long. Now divide this in 4 parts. Each part will be of 3 inches. So on the line, mark 3 inches. We are drawing a template of a cube. Again mark 3 inches on all the sides and draw a line. So basically we are drawing a rectangular shape which is 12 inches in length and 3 inches in height. Similarly mark 3 inches again on the second side. And draw a straight line. You see we got 4 squares of 3 inches by 3 inches now. On the second square, we will draw 2 more squares which are 3 inches by 3 inches. So here we have a template which is having 6 squares of 3 inches by 3 inches. Now we'll draw some extra line of approximately 1 centimeter on both the sides. This will be used for folding and gluing. So this part, as you can see, this is an extra part for folding our cube. It will act as a support so that our cube will stay in a 3D shape. Now draw colorful designs of your choice on each of these squares using sketch pens. So finish drawing designs of my choice using sketch pens in each square of this cube template. I'll outline this with black sketch pen. If you don't want to outline it, it is okay. So now you're able to see the template more clearly. We will cut our template with scissors. We will cut on the outline of this cube template. We have finished cutting our template. Cut slits on both the sides of this extra part. Now this is the upper side and this is the inside part. So we will fold on all the edges. So see, we have folded our template. We've also folded these extra parts which will be used as a support to glue our cube. Now we will apply some glue only on the extra parts. Now fold this and see that it is going on the inner edge. See here, like this. See that it is coming properly on the edge. Now this part, put this inside and very gently glue this, and a paper cube is now ready. So see, we've got a very nice colorful paper cube.